One man spent 38 years digging this tunnel through a mountain by hand. Welcome to the Burro Schmidt tunnel. Back in 1900, William Burro Schmidt started digging, hoping to save time by transporting his ore through instead of around a mountain. He worked on it almost every day for nearly 20 years before learning that his tunnel was for no use. They had made a road eliminating the need for it. Instead of giving up, Schmidt spent another 18 years digging the rest of the tunnel. Finally, in 1938, he made it to the other side after digging through nearly a half mile of solid granite. Shortly after he finished, Schmidt moved away. The tunnel was never used to transport ore, but the legend remains today. I don't think it was ever about transporting ore. What do you think?